All right, so working on the next one, exercise number 59, we're going to subset by positions. We're going to get the top 10 off of here, which means that we don't want to, previously been using loc to get like from one named value to the other, but since we just want the top 10, we don't necessarily want to access it by the name. So this is a good example of like where we might want to use iloc versus loc. All right, so we already have some stuff loaded into here. We should have our data frame already loaded and ready to go. If we run through here, we can see all this information here. It's going to be pretty straightforward on this. Well, I hope. All we should need to do is, let's try and just do print df.iloc, and then, we want to do, hopefully I don't make the same mistake again. Let's say 0 through 10. I don't think I need brackets. I feel like I should put brackets on there, but I guess not. And then they want to do, the columns title and artist. See, I don't think I can do iloc on here, but I wonder if I can do, okay, I haven't done this yet, done this recently. So let's try and do it like, can we do it like this? Can we be tricky and try to do something like that? I don't think we can do, I mean, I could just do position. It's like 0, 1. I could probably figure out like what position it's at, but I feel like I'd rather do something like this, title, comma, artist. So let's try this. It's not gonna work. Let's get back into this. So it's said, getting me some error about this. This is not the keyword. Oh, you know what I have to do? There's too many brackets. Because I'm doing fancy indexing, I need to make sure that this is a list. That's frustrating. All right, let's see if that index, interesting. Okay, so again, I could probably like pause and just kind of get the answer for this, but let's look through this. I want to see like df columns. Like, is there something? I know I could do this different ways. Did I ever get? Okay, so I have all these. Okay. Again, I could just figure this out off screen, but I just want to show you kind of how I would think through doing something like this, as always. So let's try and do this. I want to see like what do I get if I just do like what am I getting when I print these? Okay, I am getting the first 10, so it looks pretty good. I just need to get these other values. I mean, I could just like the cheater way would I could just put in like, I mean, what position? It's like title and artist. That's gonna be like position, position like 1 and yeah, position 1 and 2, I think. But these would have to be brackets. Never enough brackets. I think I could do that. Give me an error on this one. What am I doing wrong here? Oh, I'm not doing comma. Okay, so I don't, that was too many brackets. Ugh, but not enough brackets. Okay. Okay. That should work. So the number of brackets is gonna drive me crazy. All right, so we're gonna name df. So this is a slice, didn't need to be in brackets. These are fancy indexes, so they do need to be in a slice. They don't need to be within brackets. And then we get that answer back. Let's see if anything else we have to do for this one? Seems like that's kind of wrapping things up. Yeah, so that seems like they want them to do by their positions. I'll see if there's a better answer. Maybe I'll pause the video for a second. I'll see if I can find a better answer. But I think this one, well, hopefully it should work. We're returning something. Let's see. Test that. Hey, there we go. First try. That is never going to happen again. All right, let me pause for a second. Let me see if I can come back with a better version or if that's the best one. Nah, looks like this is the best one. I think it'd be interesting to mix up the iloc and the loc to access some of this. I wonder. All right, you can stop the video now, of course. But I wonder if I did this slightly differently. If I do this, like, what do I get? Again, hopefully you've stopped the video and I'm just talking to myself. I'm just curious if we do this, because I feel like we should be able to, like, this should be a data frame, right? This should be a data frame, so we should be able to apply then iloc onto this, loc onto this, and then pass in think we would need to do, or maybe like don't include those two, and then we could say like title, comma, artist. Could that work? And then we run this. Doesn't like it. Doesn't like the keyword part. Because we're doing loc. Maybe if I do, it could be anything, comma, those two. Still doesn't like that. Too many indexers. I agree. Let's see. Oh my god, I got it. Okay, I got it with a little bit of messing around here, but if you're still watching anyway. So I did get the iLoc using this way, and then I realized I should just be using, I don't need to say loc or iLoc because I'm trying to get the columns, not the rows. So I should pass this in as, so I should pass in title and artist, but of course, since we're doing fancy indexing, we need to put in our brackets right here. And then when I run this, so that's a nice mixture of using some iLoc and then also using those titles. Yeah, I don't think I could have done, I think I did try this right using, I don't think this would work using this combination of two things. Using like the implicit locations and then the locations. Yeah, it's not gonna like that. All right, anyways, okay, got that one working. And I did get it on first try. Just kept talking for a while though.